Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing your data and power so nothing is lost. First, back up to your Google account or export photos to an SD card. This preserves settings and media. Once done, charge the phone to at least 50% and connect to a stable Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Make sure you know your Google account email and password because a factory reset will prompt you to sign in. Finally, remove the SIM or SD card if you want them untouched during the reset. Now you perform the reset through System Settings. Go to Settings, then System, then Reset Options, and choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. This is the standard path on most Android phones. When prompted, enter your device PIN or password to authorize the wipe and double-check the accounts that will be removed. Tap Erase All Data and accept warnings. The phone will reboot and begin wiping internal storage. Make sure you let it finish uninterrupted, because stopping mid-process can corrupt data. After the wipe completes, the phone restarts and you set it up like new. Follow on-screen prompts to choose language, Wi-Fi, and sign into your Google account to restore backups and apps. If you encounter a factory reset protection prompt, make sure you use the original Google credentials. This prevents unauthorized use. If the reset fails or the phone is stuck, reboot into recovery mode and perform a data wipe there, and if issues persist, contact the manufacturer or a service center for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.